Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I try to fix this LENCO ginormous sound box, whatever this is, with disco lights and disco ball in here. Yeah, this thing is huge. So if you're interested, here is the model number. Yeah. So this thing is completely dead. You can charge it. So in today's video I tried to fix this. Yeah. So without any more waffle, let's get started. So this thing, I got this from work. We have this for like having a little fun, and it's completely dead. So the first thing I want to check is the power supply. This thing should output around 20 volts. I guess it's center positive. Let's check this. Nearly exactly 20 volts. So the power supply is okay. So this thing is so huge, it's really cumbersome to film. So I try to do my best here. Here are all the ports: power, USB charger, I guess, charging light, line in, guitar mic. Here's the DC in. Here's for the antenna. And as you can see, I think this was hit here. So my first guess would be that the power jack got, it looks a little wiggly. Can you see? So I think there's some connection in here is broken. That would be my first guess. I hope it's this. Let's try it, power it on. So there should be a charging light, but nothing. Let's see if it will power on. Here's nothing too, you see. The display's dead. So the first thing is, let's unplug it, turn it off. So the first thing, how can I get in here? But I think the most obvious to me is here 4 screws. So I undo these. Oh yeah. Here comes the handle. Oh, these are wood screws. So that, let's see if I can lift it up. Oh yeah, I can. So now how do I film this? That's very awkward. So now let's see. Yeah, this comes off. Okay, so here's the battery. This looks like some kind of control board. I think that's the disco light. Another control board, and I think that's the board where the power comes in. So I think I first remove this. Let's see. Oh, these are color coded. So let's remove the connectors here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And now, here are two screws. So let's see if this comes out. And come on. Come on. Yes. I put this monstrosity aside and then we can take a closer look to this. Okay. So now here is the board where the power goes in. Let's see if I can see something obvious. No, the port looks okay. So let's measure if there's power going in. So let's see. Let's plug it in. Center positive. This should be positive. This should be ground. Yeah, 20 volts. Let's see here. Oh, 0 volts. Okay, there's a break between here. Yeah. And here. Oh, it's not, and I see why. Can you see it? I hope you can. Yeah, that's broken. Okay, so we have to put a botch wire between here and here. And this should be it. Okay. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think that should do it. That's nice and solid now. Okay, I put this back in and then I show you the final result and hopefully can give you a little bit of a demonstration of this thing. Okay, I see you when the thing is back together. So I haven't tried it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's fixed. So power supply, let's plug it in. I think then the charging light should come on. And yes. Yeah, it's charging. I think this thing is completely dead. But let's see anyway. Oh yes, look at this. So yeah guys, this was an easy fix, yeah, but I think it's worth it. The thing I think cost around 200 euros, so yeah, little fault, but you couldn't use it. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video is also related with something from work. It's this Silvercrest boombox. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks again very much for watching guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye.